Hi class, so today I'm going to take you through the wonders of Teams. So Teams, for those of you who aren't familiar with the application, is an application provided through Microsoft. This is a application that is used in many corporate environments. We use this often to communicate with team members. As you can see from my individual Teams account here, what I have on the left hand side, and I'm showing you first here, is at the very top. It is uh, our activity feed. So basically, what this does is it shows you any interactions that team members of yours have had in the group chats that you're in. And so we go down and it just alerts you like almost as you would see on like a Twitter feed or something like that. Then we go down here and we can look at all the recent team members that I've chatted with. What you were just seeing there was messages pop up from a particular group that's going on right now. Aqualung April Town Hall. So you have the ability to label these groups, so you can have a sense of what the groups are part of. We go down one more, and this is where files are often stored. So the company will put different subtitles here under different departments to break it up that way, and we'll store our files. So this one you're looking at right now is our credit hold orders and how we do all of our credit holds. You go down one more, and this is a calendar view of everything. So you get to see, any vacation that's been put in by your team members, or any vacation or any important dates that you have that need to be seen in Teams. This next function is the calls function. So this is just anybody that's in your own contact book or anybody who's called you recently. And this is just files in general that have been shared with you. And then if we go back up here, just how the general function of it works is it's an interface that allows you to call or chat with people. So there's these files or these icons that are up in the top right. This one is you can video call somebody, so that'll show your face and they'll hear the audio of everything. And then this one is just the audio call somebody, so as if you were just calling them through a regular phone line. This is to share your screen in case you're presenting something and somebody needs to see the work that you're doing. And then this is how you add people into groups or create groups. And then you look at this, and this is just kind of my personal account information and everything that I have set up. It's a phenomenal function for group work, for people that are in corporate structures that need to contact and be in communication constantly.